Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a review of XY VPN. Let's explore if it's the right fit for your needs and online activities. VPNs encrypt your data and mask your IP address, making it more difficult for others to track you. This is excellent for enhancing your privacy, improving security, and accessing geo-restricted content. XY VPN boasts a clean and user-friendly interface, highlighted by a prominent Connect button. You can easily choose a specific country to connect through, making location selection simple. This allows you to bypass restrictions or potentially achieve faster speeds by connecting to a closer server. A free option is available, but be aware that it comes with advertisements during use. The app displays your connection speed, and my tests showed acceptable performance. Remember, no VPN is perfect. Always do your research and carefully read the terms of service. Consider XY VPN for simple and secure browsing if you're looking for a straightforward solution. If you enjoyed this review, please subscribe for more tech insights. Share your VPN preferences below. Stay safe online.